gotta move your car. Love the stinky smell. Alright, today we are going to go to Goodwill and drop some things off that I loaded up in the bed. We are going to also go pick up something for his car. I don't know what. The shift knob, that's right, I'm retarded. So we're going to head over there now.
Oh, I hit your jiggle tits.
Yeah, my jiggle tits.
My jiggle tits.
Jiggle tits. We're at Goodwill. I don't think they let us record, but I'm trying to find something, so. Whoa. What a baby. We're going to Walmart. Me and Grayson watched this movie called The Millers on Netflix.
Yeah, 2 Girls, 1 Cup.
No, we didn't watch that, but he saw Nasty just now. Anyway, we are trying to find replacement pieces for this hose. We went to O'Reilly's. We couldn't really find anything. So now we're going to Home Depot, and now I have to drive. Have fun. There he goes. And that is the bike. We took some time to work on it. I didn't record anything. It is also Sunday. And did nothing the rest of the day from the last clip, but we got it going. What a very fun time it was. Grayson's back.
I'm very fucking cold.
I'm using wide lens, and I think it looks really good.
No, actually, it does look good.
I don't know, I'm gonna try it. I went from using the 1 to the 5 in the same video.
Yeah.
So.
It's cold.
I gotta get you a heated vest.
I have a heated vest. I haven't charged it.
Yeah, I think I have mine too. I don't think it's charged. Anyway, that was fun. 4 plugs, we got it done in what, an hour? Something like that.
I don't know, the ferries are still long.
But that's like 10 minutes. But it sounds good. I love that bike. And finally we got it running. So. And this wide lens is gonna look really interesting. Only if I had some other equipment. I wonder where he went. Maybe it died on him. Oh, there he goes. Look at that. Riley. How does it feel? You actually drove it.
Actually, when I'm riding it, it's going to go all the way to 4,000 RPM between shifts. So I think it just needs to warm up more.
Oh, yeah.
Right now, I'm turning the idle down to what? Bring it down to about 1,500. That's the normal idle.
Yeah.
But I'm still afraid it might shut off, so I'm kind of leaving it back there.
Yeah, it's still cold. So.
Oh, it takes off.
That's good.
Good.
That's good. Great.
You take it for a ride now.
We'll get everything put together and then take it on a ride next week. Don't.
This is the jacket I fucked up.
Oh my goodness. I can see that.
It's the only jacket I have in my car.
I mean, if you want, my grandma could sew it for you.
Actually,
She knows how to sew. Just ask her.
I feel bad asking.
I would not go ahead. She got nothing to do. She loves to do stuff like that.
Alright. We're on the center stand.
All right. Made a nice bowl of pho. Nice and steamy. Oh, yeah. Don't touch my anus.
no promises, brother.
No promises. Okay, so we dropped the couch off. We loaded that up. The garage looks a lot better. And now we're coming to Home Depot again. The Home Depot for Grayson. What are we getting here, by the way? We're getting gay. Well, no, what are we getting here? I don't remember.
I actually don't remember. We're just going to Home Depot.
Okay, we could do that. I don't think they'll let us record in here either, but
We're going to get closet material so we can break out of the closet.
okay. I like that. I just love looking at your head with the camera all the time. I'm gonna be a Karen mom.
I'm going to beat my meat in the truck. We're still recording? You're still recording, aren't you? I'm not going to turn around.
You will know your crimes. You will know your crimes. All right, guys. So here's the no couch, and the next no table, and then the cherry picker going backyard. That's crazy. That's crazy. Anyway, we're back home. We got Starbucks. We had our Home Depot run. Grayson's gonna clean his seats, and then for me here, I am going to. Oh yeah, you're a little booty juice because you got a big booty.
Bandito.
Yeah, you're leaking cake all the time. So what I'm doing here is I'm prepping the hood scoop to be put back onto the hood. I'm cleaning off the surface here for 3M tape. This side's already done. Here and here. Final touch up is when I put rubbing alcohol and dry it out and put some more 3M tape. And I'm going to wipe down the hood there as well. And then put it together. And then for funs, for shits and funs tonight, we'll take the passenger seat out and put in the S650 one. So Grayson has a good time of sleep.
Yeah, for work tomorrow at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Yeah, one day we won't have to do that. One day. But, yep, I'm going to prep these out here. What's up? Oh, wow, it actually looks a lot
It
cleaner.
looks a lot cleaner, but you'll see it's kind of hard with the light. You see all this there's all dirt still in here. We diluted it too much because with the cheap shit, this all comes off.
I mean, with the steamer, you can get that out.
Yeah, I do. I can get it out if I just, oh wow, the leather's starting to crack.
Yeah, you need to have conditioner for it. That's what the other stuff is for.
Yeah.
That I was gonna get the mother's conditioner, leather conditioner.
Well, that stuff that you bought is the dressing. That's what it is, no?
Yeah.
I also want to redo this. See all down here?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. I can get it out with denatured alcohol.
Yep. I mean, it looks good though. I like the two-tone. I like the two-tone sleeve. And finally getting all that oil out.
do you think? What I want to do is I want to get this trim all black, this gray trim, so that doesn't look like that.
Yeah.
And then I want to get vinyl.
What
and
about
redo
those
the door
guys
cards.
that we got that for the seats that I talked to the seats?
Yeah.
Would they redo the door panels?
Probably. It'd probably be a good chunk of change.
It'd probably be cheaper than doing the seats though.
Maybe. I want to get this seat redone. If I can't find C7 seats.
So what if we took the trim out and then painted it black?
We could do that, but then we don't have that piece. They're cheap, bro. For both sets aside, it's like 20 to 40 bucks for each set.
Oh, then get it.
Yeah, I'd rather
Never
do that.
mind.
With the door card, I want to do like flat black, like matte black, the leather, and I want to do red for the bottom, but not like a cheesy red, like a dark red. Same with the speaker. That speaker's disgusting.
Yeah, I would do black speaker spots for that.
Yeah, they make the red ones there too. You can literally just take the mesh off and paint it red, but like the interior paint that doesn't fucking crack or look like shit.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to make this thing look like shit.
No, I mean, it comes together. It's coming together. All right, so I spray painted the thing over there, and I'm working on underneath the car. Aaliyah just got home from work, and I hear whoop whoop, and I'm like, uh-oh. And then look at that. Somebody got pulled over in the neighborhood right there. And the neighbor, I know her, she's gonna have a really fun video to watch on her surveillance camera. And this guy immediately goes, and he's clapping. And he's freaking out because he can't figure something out, so he went to last resort with super glue.
Fuck it, we ball. I don't care anymore.
Watch it not super glue.
If it doesn't work, then it doesn't work. You know, if it fucks the switch up, I'll buy a new switch. I don't
It's
care.
Chinesium.
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 Bidenomics, I swear.
Oh, look, he's out. Bidenomics. Well, Bidenomics. Give him a warning. Give him a warning. He's gonna come over here now. All right, so I got everything squared out underneath the Mustang. What a pain. It is about 10 o'clock. Dropped the fuel tank on some of these wooden planks on this side, and then I was under there. I'll try to show you. So I had to take off the strap here and on the other side, right there. And from that piece over there, and I had to connect two broken pieces of hoses. Those are plastic hoses, and they were melted on each side. So where that hose is, I connected to the other piece of the plastic hose and used a hose clamp to tighten it all down. Same thing on this side, and it was pretty loose there, so I tightened that down. When you follow that to the back, so that the evap is all connected. But now I'm cleaning up. We're gonna go to IHOP. Grayson and Leah are in the garage, and it's cold outside for sure. It is very cold outside. All right, so reset the engine light. I've got the engine primed up. Let's start it up. Oh, almost there. It's cold. Probably doesn't help. I have no gas, but it's okay. Alright, we're heading to IHOP. It is really cold out, but all the cars are warmed up. At least my car is. Grayson's car isn't that warmed up. Okay, let me open the door. Because the door lock actuators don't work. We got it to IHOP. I died on the street. So, we're gonna eat. Hi, princess. What are you doing? Yeah. Must have been a busy, long day, Having fun, eating food, And then baby kitty. cutie. Oh, what a sweet girl. What? What? Oh. You want me to pet you? This is where I'm gonna wrap it up tonight. We're home, it's warm, and it's 12 in the morning. We'll see what we got going on. It is Sunday. I'll probably not do anything on Monday, but I'll have all these videos that I made the last couple days going out this week. Alright, I'm going to end it off here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and comment on what you want to see. I'll see you guys next time. Stay good. Hope you guys had a great weekend and have a great work week. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
It's really like, really going at. Whoa, whoa! Alright, I see that you're angry.
He's a man. He's a man. Give him his bananas.
This bananas, bro.